welcome back to my channel. Today I'm unboxing the American Influencer Beauty Bundle for October-November 2020. But first, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm so glad you decided to come and hang out with me for a while today. If you've not yet subscribed, I'd love it if you would hit that subscribe button. And also, if you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up before you leave. The American Influencer Beauty Bundle is a bi-monthly subscription bundle featuring influencer brands and products. Each bundle features a new influencer and 5 to 6 full-size beauty products based on their passion and area of expertise, ranging from makeup, skincare, hair care, whatever. Costs $34 per box if you pay per box, and the value of each box is at least $100. This box's takeover is the Fall Bundle by Lala Kent. And I'll be honest with you, I had no idea who Lala Kent was. I had to Google who Lala Kent was because apparently not from a show I watch. So Lala Kent is a former cast member on the reality show Vanderpump Rules. I have seen 1 or 2 episodes of that, and I certainly know who Lisa Vanderpump is, but it's not a show I watched. So Lala started a brand called #GiveThemLalaBeauty, and it's a cruelty-free brand that offers lip products, bronzers, and eyeshadow palettes. And they say that this box is going to be 5 full-size products and value of over $100. So let's see. Okay, so we open up the box, and there's a little card, and it says, "Hey gorgeous, I've poured my heart into Give Them Lala Beauty, and I am beyond happy to share this bundle with you. I have hand-selected some of my favorite products for you to try and feel the beauty that you each deserve. Please know from the bottom of my heart, I appreciate all of my supporters. Everything I work hard to create is because I love sharing my passion with all of you. Enjoy your bundle. XX Lala." There's the card. And then on the back we have what the products are and their retail values. If you've been around my channel before, you know I do go out and verify that these are the actual retail prices, but so far from what I can tell, the only place that you can purchase her products beyond this bundle is directly from her website, so it was actually a fairly easy one for me to do. But anyway, let's dive in and see what we have in here, because like I said, I'd never heard of her. It's a brand I'd never heard of, but I subscribed to this bundle, and I figured we'll check it out. And if it's not for me, I can always find products a good home. So the first thing I see when I open up is a face mask from American Influencer Beauty Bundle. So this is an extra product over and above the 5 that we're getting from Give Them Lala Beauty. That's always nice. I mean, certainly can all use masks. I hope you all are being careful and wearing your masks out there, because you could be saving a life and it could just be your own. So the first thing is a palette, and it's wrapped in bubble wrap. Let me open it up. And I haven't opened any of these, so I have no idea what anything's going to look like beyond what I was able to pull off her website and off the AIA website, just to get an idea so I could prepare to talk to you about it. But here's the cover. This is apparently the Pretty palette. She does have other ones with, and I can't remember what the other names were, but so it says that this is perfect for everyday neutral looks that make your natural eye color pop. It includes 9 highly pigmented shadows that feel buttery, soft, and silky to the touch. These perfectly blendable shades effortlessly glide across the eyelid for long-lasting, jaw-dropping looks every time. 6 matte shadows and 3 foiled shadows. Here's the palette itself. And the retail on this is $42. Big pans. There's a sheet of plastic. I'm going to pull it out. There's also a mirror, but I will hold that down so I don't glare you with it. But there's the colors. it's soft and pretty. I mean, it really is. She named it well. Some of the shade names in here are Naked, Baby Maker, One Night Stand, Blushing, Rich Girl, Pretty Thing, Bottle of Rosé, Walk of Shame, and Late Night. You getting a theme here? Anyway, they say that this retails for $42. Some shades in here that I would use, I'm not so sure about. Although, you know, I've seen shades like these oranges before and said, oh, I wouldn't use them, but I've actually done some cute looks with things like that. So we'll see whether I decide to use this one or put it in a giveaway. But $42 for 9 pans. It better be really good eyeshadow, because, you know, I got ready today with ColourPop. You can get a 9-pan palette from ColourPop for 14 bucks. So 42 better be really good. So that was our first one. So the next, it looks like all the rest are lip products. So let's see what we've got here. Cushion Cream Lipstick, that's this one. And say if a matte lipstick and a hydrating gloss had a baby, it would be our luxury cream formula. Didn't we just have a thing about Baby Maker in there? Whatever. It says this irresistible cushion formula applies creamy and high pigmented for the most beautiful coverage look. There were 3 shades of cushion cream lipstick according to her website. And the shade we got, I'm sensing a theme with this collection. The shade is called Send Nudes. And that's the color. It's a nude. I'm not a huge fan of nudes because they tend to pull really orange on me. So this is probably going to go in a giveaway. But the retail on the Cushion Cream lipsticks are $16. Now we have a Hydro Matte lipstick, and that's this one. They all have the same basic box. They say that the days of dry matte lipsticks are over. This is an irresistibly comfortable formula that dries down matte, leaves your lips looking kissable and flawless. Smudge proof, long lasting and beautiful. Make room in your beauty drawer. This is the best matte lipstick you'll ever own. I don't know. I thought the Real Beauty ones were pretty darn good. So there are 2 shades currently of the Hydra Matte formula, and we got the shade I Love You, and that's a red. I don't know if it's going to be too orange of a red for me, so we'll have to look at that. This may be another one that goes in a giveaway. But I mean, it's a pretty shade. It's just, again, I'm okay with a blue red, but an orange red is just not for me. But again, there are 2 shades, and these retail for $16. And next we have Hydro Gloss. Clearly we're getting one from each formula. And again, the same, give them Lala Beauty. Say it's the most pigmented, beautiful gloss you'll ever own. With one swipe, high color payoff gloss delivers your lips with full coverage shine. Non-sticky formula can be worn on its own due to the full coverage consistency, or over your favorite Give Them Lala cream or matte lipstick. There are 2 shades of this as well, and we got the shade Trippin'. And I can't tell if it looks a little brown, but I think it's more of a like a berry. I have to check that one out on the website before I open it, because the photo on here looks berry. So we'll definitely have to check that one out. Again, $16. So we may have one that I'm keeping. I have to double check the color before I open it, because I don't want to open it and then pass it on to someone in a giveaway. I don't think that's good. And our last one is the Wet Lip Quencher, which is a lightly tinted lip oil that glides onto lips to deliver moisture and a juicy look, provides your lips with glossy hydration without tackiness to create volumized high shine lips. Apply any time of the day on its own, over your favorite lipstick, or before bed as a lip treatment. This one was not on the Give Them Lala website, Give Them Lala Beauty website, which is, again, as I mentioned earlier, the only place where products appear to be sold. So I don't know if this is a new product or an older product. I couldn't, like I said, it wasn't when I went and pulled all these things up a few days ago. Once the bundle was released, what the contents were going to be were released on the American Influencer Beauty Bundle website. But we got the shade, it's just wet. So I don't know if that's the color. If it's Lip Quencher in the color wet. Actually, you know, it's, the others say on one side, yeah, like they'll say Hydra Matte and then the shade. So I'm going to guess that it is Lip Quencher and the shade is called Wet. I don't know how many shades there are of it, and I couldn't verify a price because it wasn't on their website. But here it is. It looks like it's got a little bit of a pink tint to it, but it is very sheer. And they're giving this they say this one retails for $18. Again, I have no way of verifying that because they're not sold anywhere else. So that's it. I feel like this was a quick one, but there wasn't much to talk about in terms of the prices. So what we got here was the Lip Quencher in Wet, the Hydra Matte lipstick in I Love You, that was that red shade, the Cushion Cream lipstick in Send Nudes, and the Hydra Gloss in Trippin', and the Pretty Palette. Again, the AIA Beauty Bundle promises 5 full-size items over $100. Total retail value in this is $108 plus the mask. So they met what they said. One of the beauties of this particular subscription is that you may discover brands that you don't know, influencers that you haven't dealt with or you haven't really heard of or haven't tried. So I think that's kind of cool. It's fun. It's a fun way to discover brands that you would not have before. It is every other month, so it's nice that you're not getting inundated with products. And, you know, just like other subscription boxes, some you're going to love and some you're not going to, you know, particularly love, and maybe hopefully you find another good home for them. So I'm not unhappy. I'm going to probably try out the palette, that possibly the one lip product. The other, at least 2, possibly 3 will go into future giveaways. Speaking of giveaways, if you haven't done it already, be sure to check out my 1 month on YouTube giveaway that's running through the 21st. Enter if you haven't done it already. There's a lot of good stuff in there, hopefully something for everyone. And, you know, be sure you subscribe. I do have a lot of other fun things planned between now and the holidays. I'm working on some stuff for Christmas that you're going to want to stick around for. So check out that video, and then hopefully I will see you again. Have you heard of Give Them Lala Beauty before? Did you even know who Lala Kent was? Or like me, would you have had to Google it? Let me know what you think of the products. If there's any interest in me demoing that palette, I can swatch it and, you know, put together a look just so you can see what it's all about. If you have any interest, and use one of the lips. Like I said, the other ones will likely go into giveaway. But, you know, leave any comments down in the comment section. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe down below if you haven't done it already. And thank you for spending your time hanging out with me today. Please stay safe, be kind to yourself, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.